Have you ever wondered what it takes to create the creamy, rich, and simply irresistible Indian dessert, Rasamalai? Well, today we are about to embark on a culinary journey that will reveal the secrets behind this popular sweet dish. The creation of Rasamalai is a two-part process involving the making of the rasgullas, or cheese dumplings, and the preparation of the thickened milk base. To start with, we create the rasgullas. Pour 2 liters of whole milk into a large pot and bring it to a boil. As soon as the milk starts to boil, add a mixture of 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of water. Stir gently until the milk curdles. Drain this curdled milk through a muslin cloth, rinse with cold water and squeeze out the excess water. This leaves us with the chenna or cheese, the base for the rasgullas. Next, knead this chenna gently for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and soft. Divide the dough into small portions and roll them into smooth balls. These are the raw rasgullas. Now for the second part of the process, we need to prepare the sweet cardamom-infused milk base. In a large pot, pour in 2 liters of whole milk and bring it to a boil. Simmer it until it reduces to half its volume. Stir frequently to avoid burning. Add in half a cup of sugar and continue to simmer until the sugar dissolves. Sprinkle a pinch of saffron strands and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, stirring well to combine. While the milk is simmering in another pot, make a sugar syrup with 1 cup of sugar and 5 cups of water. Drop the raw rasgullas into this boiling sugar syrup and cook for 15 minutes until they puff up. Once the rasgullas are cooked, gently squeeze out the sugar syrup and drop them into the simmering milk. Let them soak in the milk for at least 2 hours. This allows the rasgullas to absorb the flavors of the milk base, creating the creamy, luscious texture that is the hallmark of Rasamalai. In summary, making Rasamalai involves creating the cheese dumplings or rasgullas by curdling milk with lemon juice, kneading the resulting cheese, and boiling these in a sugar syrup. Parallelly, a thick, sweetened milk base is prepared by boiling milk with sugar, saffron, and cardamom. The cooked rasgullas are then soaked in this milk base to create the final product, a heavenly bowl of Rasamalai. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating the melt-in-your-mouth Indian dessert, Rasamalai. It's a labor of love, but the end result is worth every effort. After all, who can resist the allure of this creamy, cardamom-infused delight?